Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher dispenser assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dispenser assembly. The dispenser assembly is located in the dishwasher door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and no longer dispensing the soap or the rinse aid. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. With the door open, we can take out the 6 screws that hold on the front panel. We're going to use a Torx 15 driver to take them out. As you're taking this last screw out, you want to make sure you hold the door together so the front panel doesn't fall off. Once you have the last screw out, you can very carefully lift the door up. Now that we have the door up, we can pull the front panel forward a little bit to get it away from the console, and then we can lift up on it to get it out of the way. First thing we're going to do is lift up this protective cover and tape it up so it's out of the way while we're working on it. Then we have to remove the wire harness on the solenoid. There's a little retainer clip on the bottom. All you have to do is press on it and then very carefully pull the wire harness out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Then we can take our 3/16 nut driver and remove the 6 screws that hold the dispenser assembly in. Now that we have all the screws out, we want to take off this bracket and set it aside. With the bracket off, we can unhook the shield from this little pin right there. And then on each corner, there's a little spring tab that you have to get underneath with a small screwdriver and lift up on, and then press the dispenser in. There's the one on the opposite corner is done the same way. Once you have it released, we can open up the dishwasher door and pull the dispenser assembly out. Here's the old dispenser assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new dispenser in, you want to make sure you clean this area off so you get a good seal. To put the new dispenser assembly in, all you have to do is line it up. You want to make sure that the solenoid is on this side so the plug reaches. Then you can just press it into place until you hear it lock in. Now we can go on the back side and put everything else in. First thing you want to do is make sure that the shield is hooked on the little tab right here. And then we can put this metal bracket back around it. And you want to make sure that this little screw goes, make sure it goes through there. We're going to use our 3/16 nut driver to put all these screws back in. Now that we have the screws all in, we can reconnect the solenoid to the wiring harness. All you have to do is plug it in so it locks in place. Once you have the wiring harness plugged in, we can take the tape off this cover and let it down so we can put the front panel back on. You want to set it down so it goes behind these 2 brackets. Once you have it down, you can push it up into place, and then we can lower the door carefully so we can put the screws back in. Now we can use our Torx 15 driver to put the screws back in. Now that we have the part installed, we can close the dishwasher door, turn the water back on, plug it in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.